Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. This tip is about clamping odd-shaped objects in a vise. It's kind of hard in a vise because the jaws are parallel with each other, and if you clamp something out of parallel, it's going to damage your piece and your vise. So here's a way that you can use a piece of PVC pipe to clamp irregular objects in the vise. First, I want to cut a piece of PVC that is about the length of my vise jaw. And I'll do that using my hacksaw and holding it with the vise. Now I need to cut this piece of PVC in half lengthwise. This part can be done with a bandsaw to make it go more quickly, but I'm going to use my hacksaw today. It looks like I am limited by the throat size on my hacksaw, so I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. Now to smooth out this shape and get rid of some of this waste, I'll use some very coarse sandpaper on my bench to lap it down. I'll sand it back and forth until it's very smooth and straight on the bottom. All right, that is smooth enough. Now I just need to use it in the vise. Now that my section of pipe is smooth, I can use it in my vise to clamp this irregular piece. I'll hold it up against the piece and then clamp into it with the vise. Instead of racking the jaws of my vise, it'll give it a central point to put the pressure on and spread that pressure to here and here, clamping this securely in the vise, so you can do whatever you need to with it. It's pretty strong and you can clamp down as much as you want to, but with softer woods like this redwood, I would be careful of the PVC denting the wood. It is very secure. So that's a pretty nice way to clamp irregularly shaped objects in your vise, and it doesn't take that long to make it. I hope this tip helps you out with your work holding in the shop, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.